The shocking reason. Most Indians sound like motorcycles at night, and it's not what you think. When you sleep, throat muscles relax. This narrows the airway and the soft tissues vibrate as air passes. That's snoring. Common triggers include 1. Sleep deprivation and irregular schedules. 2. Sleep apnea, blocked airway. 3. Nasal congestion or deviated septum. 4. Weight gain and sleep position. 5. Alcohol, smoking, medications, or aging. Snoring can be a red flag for sleep apnea. Don't ignore it.